Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Let me just go ahead and create another supervisory organization, and I'll try to put that as job management. Create subordinate. Technology is, I'll have, let's say, ERP. I'll not make any changes. I'll put the location and everything is same now. Now I'll go into the CRP department and change the staffing model. I hope I can change it right. You know the reason why I am able to change it. Now in the staffing, I have job management. What I have to do? I'll have to create a hiring restriction. From where I will do the hiring restriction, guys? I've explained it to you. Anybody remembers it? Staff. I have to create an organization, right? And then I have to set the hiring restriction. Why am I doing it? Create position, something like no, I'm not creating a position. This is a job management supervisory organization. In the management, we create positions. I'm talking about the action of creating position, something but in job management. I'm not talking about that. I'm just using something you know, MS. I saw some job profile today with this job family. No, it's not there. I'll type in just Workday. Workday Benefits Department. I'm just choosing that. See, I've got different here. Right search is Workday. Low. Where was I? See, as per hiring restriction, right? It says that you need approval from Logan McNeil. That's the reason it is progress. Now from where this has been defined, it has been defined in the hiring restrictions business process. I have to log in as home. See, I know it is complex. It's not easy. But how you can make it easy? By listening to the video. I have done this also, Devashish, actually, but there are multiple assignable steps were coming. I was trying. That's fine. Let's see it. Right. Then we will see what exactly is going on. First, let's try to approve it. Let's see where does it take it to me. Approval chain by manager Lord Baker. Login as Lord Baker. Start proxy. Devashish, otherwise you can stop proxy, right? That you can go back to your. I don't need to go back, right? I just need to go to lot. Who was that Baker? I don't see that user. What I'll do? I'll just refresh it once. Because it should take me to the right place, that where exactly it is stuck. I'll go to staffing. Not. See, it is asking me to go to Lot Baker. I have to exactly get the name. See this user. I don't know. I'm not able to access this user. Now that is the problem. Whoever that person is, Lot Baker, right? I don't have the option to get there. That is why I am not able to do it. Because I don't have access to that. What will I do now? You can edit this process definition. That is what I'm going to do now. I don't want this step. I'll just remove that approval chain itself. Because if it does not allow me, then I can't make any changes. Right? In the you got initiation approval chain. And then reviewing hiring restrictions goes to partner. See, it is going to manager and it is also going to managers manager. Looks like Logan's manager. I'll have to check. See, Lot Baker is the manager for who Logan McNeil, right? That is a reason approval chain has been put in there. Approval chain has been put in and who is the security group, which is a security group manager. If Logan will approve, it will go to Logan's manager. That's the reason it has gone to Lot Baker. Does it make sense? All of you? Yes, sir. All of you. I don't want anybody to have a confusion. Basically, it has been given to a customer success representative. Now that is the problem. What I'll try to do? Let me see if I have the option to log in as this person. No, I don't have. Because she does not have, admin rights. What I will do? I will remove this approval chain. In fact, I'll remove all these steps. I don't need them. This is only happening in your practice, and in real-time system, you will not face this problem. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, right? Also, I have a question. In real time, we'll be having a lot of data, right? To work on. Data in the sense I did not understand that. I mean, we'll be having a lot of people for which we'll be looking after the hiring or the hiring. I mean, you will have a lot of users. A lot of users. No, it's not like that. That will be only working on one user. We have to work hands-on on a lot of users. For every user. There is no option of selecting and doing it in one go. We have to do it separately every time. See, I am trying to give you the real-time effect. The reason is in real time you will not have one user. You will have multiple people doing it, right? Understand what I am trying to say? Multiple people, multiple tasks. In real time, we will not get a separate login, multiple user. We have to use multiple users only. You will not be doing it by yourself. Note, of course, the manager approval will be done by the managers will be only, I think, taking care of the user. No approval. It goes to the manager. Whoever is the manager, they will have to perform the activity. We can only look after the process of the users. I mean the people of the organization. That is what I am going to do. I will go back to the department and then again try to create a hiring restriction. In staffing, this is cancelled. It's no more existing. Now what I'll do? I'll just go ahead and create another one. This is what you have to do, guys, that if you are not able to make any changes, you know that the users that is there in this tenant is not actually having that permission. Then you will face this kind of issues. You just need to remove those steps. It's basically understanding the concept. If you are able to understand the concept, then you can do it anywhere. It does not matter where you are working. Now I have got the available to fill right. Do you see that? It says you've got this. You've got by creating hiring. So create hiring. Actually, when I was doing it, I did all the things. And then I was not getting the higher step. I don't know if there was some issue. Then I thought I'm going wrong. But then now when I checked today, everything was there I'm talking about hiring restrictions. I know you are talking about high risk. I'm just telling you about the higher thing. The tenant is also making a lot of issues actually that it will make. Maybe this is the reason we are getting confused sometimes. Now, Whatever the steps are there in the hire, you can go ahead and check how go into the business process. Hiring restrictions, right? I'll go back. See, I'm logged in as Logan. Logan has got all the power. That's the reason I'm able to edit it, right? Otherwise, I was logged in as Carol. What was the supervisory organization, guys? Tata Technologies. Under Tata Technologies, I have got ERP. Now under ERP, I have got hire. Right? Business process definition. Now you see I did not put anything. Did I create any hire process here? In the new supervisory ERP. Now what do you see? Automatically the hire process is inherited. Yes or no? Now if I want to change it, I can. I can make any changes to this. It will not do anything at the top level. It will only make the changes locally within ERP department. Now I have not assigned a manager also to ERP. I have not assigned any manager to ERP. The manager by default will be local only. Did you understand what I'm trying to say now? The roles, the business process, everything gets inherited. But in the steps it was showing 3 steps. Now Devashish, but we have just kept 1 step in height. In the same, if you click, there were 3 steps in the business process. Drop down. But we have kept only once. We have removed only approval chain. No, that was for which business process? Tell me that. That was for setting hiring restriction. Now this is what? This is for hire. Right. Guys, don't get confused. Now things are clear to all of you. Is there anybody who has a confusion? Please tell me. I still have nobody here. I want to hire. No confusion. I will follow the same process. See here in this you will not get it directly hire from here though. Though in that case, what do you have to do? You have to hire from this place. When your staffing model is what? Job management. Does that make sense? Create a new fee hire. I will not do it because I'm logged in as Logan. Now Logan will be the manager. The first step will automatically be approved. Let me stop the proxy and then do it. Now I'm back to my other user. What I'll do? I'll go back to the supervisory organization. Now which is that ERP. The first, verify the rules. Manager HR executive, right? See, there is no manager. There is no HR executive. Now, if I want to change the manager, I can do that. I don't want Logan to be the manager. and then HR executive. I'll make. Let's see how if it works or not. Right. Because we have not displayed the manager also. If I want to just edit it. This is disabled. Now I cannot show the manager. If it was enabled, I could have done it. But I'll just try to see. Click on. Now you have the manager name here. Yes or no, guys? Now I can go ahead and start the hire. This is using job management. That's the reason you have to perform different actions. I'm sorry. This person came from LinkedIn. I don't want anybody to be referred. I'll use duplicate name. Method. I don't want to be able to do that. I don't want to be able to do that. It gave me an error. What is this error? Who can tell me? Email, contact information. I'm wonderful. Wonderful. This is what you have to be ready with. Click on. And it is done. You're hiring today? The reason why are you hiring? New. Fill vacancy. Job profile. I don't remember it. Work. This is the one, right? Alright. I'll submit it. Where did it go? Steve Morgan. Steve Morgan. Steve Morgan. Steve Morgan. Steve Morgan. Now start proxy with Steve. And I hope you know why it is going there, right? The first one was you'll go to manager. The second one was to do. What is what you're going to do now? Start proxy. The click on. Everything is same. I'll just approve. Then where it will go? Logan, right? What is that? Where are you trying? It's now complete. If I go into the supervisory organization, this person is hired now. This is how it works, guys. Very simple, very easy method. Clear to all? Anybody has any confusion? No. Guys, sorry, who asked me the first question? I don't remember the name today. Who asked the first question? My name Bajia? Yes, I was. Now things are clear to what I discussed. Yes. See, that's the reason I said that. No, just go through the videos. Go through that. Put a step. Like I gave you the steps here itself. That these are the steps you have to perform, right? And then once you do it, the things will be easy. You don't have to worry at all. That's how it works. This completes your functional part, guys. You don't have anything more in functional. I'm sorry, I don't have anything further than that. Thank you. To get this done, just a couple of you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.